If you're looking to save some money and get salon-smooth skin from the comfort of your own home, then you'll definitely want to check out these top-rated at-home waxing kits we will be reviewing today. And so if you want silky smooth skin without spending a fortune at expensive waxing salons, these will be the perfect solution for you. This is because while shaving can present an affordable and easy way to get rid of unwanted hairs, it just doesn't give you that same soft feeling that these. Almost all of these options are amazing. They have all earned their place on Amazon's bestsellers list, and they provide an easy and convenient way for any beauty-loving woman to wax themselves using professional quality products and in the comfort of their homes. These kits have everything you need. They generally come with essentials like wax, applicators, finishing products, and super clear instructions to walk you through each step. All this makes it so easy for even waxing newbies to get smooth, stubble-free skin for weeks with these kits. So here are the best-selling DIY waxing kits ladies are loving right now. First up is the incredibly popular Tress Wellness Waxing Kit for Brazilian Wax, rated at 4.3 stars. This bestseller has a nice thick wax that adheres extremely well to hairs for effective removal in one pull. Those who have used it say the quality is excellent, and it comes with pre- and post-wax products to make the process more comfortable. The kit is designed to be user-friendly even for beginners. Next is the 4.5-star rated Deli All-in-One Waxing Kit, which is a complete set with everything needed. Those who have used it love the wax formula, saying it goes on and removes smoothly with no pain or reactions. You get multiple bags of beads, the warmer, applicators, finishing products like pre- and post-wax sprays, plus an instruction guide. If you just need to tackle nose and ear hairs, the Kashii Nose and Ear Hair Removal Kit is a top pick, with a high rating of 4.5 stars. This kit comes with a microwavable cup of wax, applicators, aftercare balm, plus instructions. The kit makes it simple to precisely remove unwanted nose and ear hairs, and those who have tried it say it grabs multiple hairs at once for quick, practically pain-free removal. The Sally Hansen Eyebrow, Face and Lip Wax Kit is rated at 4 stars and is also very popular among those who want to delicately wax sensitive facial areas. It uses a unique formula that reviewers find easy to apply and remove. The cleanup is easy too, since leftover wax just flakes off instead of leaving a sticky residue. And so if you are looking for something to handle eyebrows, upper lip, or other fine hairs on the face, this Sally Hansen kit is a gentler, user-friendly option. At number 5 is the 3.3-star rated Shik Hydro Silk Sugar Wax Roller Kit. This is a kit that is great for both body and bikini waxing. It is designed to pull off easily just using warm water, without leaving skin irritated, and the reusable cloth strips mean that there is less waste that you have to deal with. Those who have used it like how fast, easy, and relatively painless the sugar wax formula makes hair removal, and so for full body waxing, the Shik kit delivers on convenience. At number 6 is the NAD's Eyebrow Shaper Wax Kit with a 3.5-star rating. At number 7 is the 4.6-star rated Wokar Nose Wax Kit. And at number 8 is the Liddy Dance Roll-On Wax Kit for hair removal. Coming in at number 9 is the Charmonic Wax Nose Wax Kit. And last but not least is the Max Pearl Digital Waxing Kit, which has a 4.4-star rating. Whether you want an all-in-one kit or one tailored to specific areas, these top-selling Amazon wax kits have professional quality formulas and tools to help you wax like a pro. We have provided links to all the kits below for your convenience. Let us know if you end up trying any of them, as we would love to hear what worked best for you. That wraps up this review of the Amazon bestsellers. Thanks so much for watching.